In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a channel promo using Microsoft PowerPoint. By the end, you'll have a clean, eye-catching promo you can share on YouTube or social platforms, built entirely in PowerPoint. Start by opening PowerPoint and setting your slide size to 16:9. This widescreen format is the standard for most video platforms and helps your visuals fill the frame without black bars. Go to the Design tab, choose Slide Size, and select Widescreen 16:9. This gives you a proper canvas for a professional-looking promo. Next, bring in your brand elements. Add your channel name, a short tagline that captures your value or niche, and your visuals, like a high-resolution logo, images, or screenshots from your content. Keep the layout simple and readable. Use brand colors and one or two fonts for consistency. Make sure there's strong contrast between text and background, and avoid placing text too close to the edges so it stays clear on all screens. Now add motion to make it feel like a real video. On the Animations tab, apply clean, purposeful animations to your text and visuals. Subtle effects like fade or float are great. Keep durations consistent so the movement feels smooth, generally around half a second to a second. On the Transitions tab, choose a simple transition between slides, or keep it minimal if your promo is a single slide with layered animations. Less is more here. The focus should stay on your message. For sound, insert background music or a voiceover. Go to Insert, then Audio, and choose either an audio file or record narration. Keep music at a low volume so your text or narration remains clear. Consider a short fade in and fade out so the audio begins and ends smoothly. And if your promo has multiple slides, set the audio to play across slides for continuity. Always use licensed or royalty-free tracks. Now, sync everything. Open the animation pane from the Animations tab to control timing. Reorder animations. Set them to start with previous or after previous, and refine the duration and delay so each element appears exactly when you want it. Match key moments to the beat of the music or to your narration. Preview often and tweak until the pacing feels natural and polished. When you're happy, export it as a video. Go to File, Export, Create a Video, and choose Full HD or the resolution you prefer. Select Use Recorded Timings and Narrations so your timing carries over, then create the video and save the MP4. Review the final file, and you're ready to share your new channel promo.